Hey, I just wanted to tell you about some kit bashing packs that are free that I recently found. And so first of all, I'm just going to credit the people I found them from. Markom3D posted this video on the top 5 sci-fi kit bashing libraries. And then the other one is Free Hard Surface Kit Bashing for Blender 2.8. And that's by Luis Why did I start saying names? Anyways, so the first video pointed towards this pack, and it's actually a bunch of packs. Yeah, by this guy. And the next one is this Free Hard Surface Kit Bash Volume 1 pack by this guy. And don't worry, I'll provide all the links in the description, but I just wanted to tell you real quick about these packs, and yeah, that's it.